Now, dear friends, before moving into the next case, uh, we have something to perform for our senior orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Ellen Bhora passed away this Sunday. So let me share the screen first. Good morning, dear friends. As all of us know that our senior orthopedic surgeon, Dr. Professor Lakshmikant Naranji Bhora, passed away on 31st of May 2020. Dear friends, you can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to leave the site of the shore. What Christopher Columbus told one day probably holds good for Professor Bhora, as we call him fondly Bhora sir. Now, KM Hospital has been his alma mater right from his undergraduate days in 1950s till about 1989 when he retired from this KM Hospital as an honorary professor. That is almost 40 years he devoted his service to KM Hospital. Later on, his place of practice was HN Hospital and Saifi Hospital. Though he was a trauma surgeon, but discipline was his forte. And those who have worked with Dr. Bhora in KEM Hospital or any other place would know what discipline is, how strict was his approach, and the way he takes rounds and way he was concerned about the patient care. Now, as I told, he was an honorary professor at St. GS Medical College, and he was an MS Ortho examiner for the universities of Mumbai, Gujarat, Saurashtra, Pune, Madras, and Delhi as well. And because of his honesty, integrity, that he was also an expert advisor to Maharashtra Public Service Commission, Union Public Service Commission, Gujarat Public Service Commission, and as well as All India Institute of Medical Sciences. In all these institutes or institutions, he was on the examination boards. He worked in the Seth Dudumal Bajaj Ortho Center, as you can see that was during that time. This is the picture of the King Edward Memorial Hospital during his time. And that is the picture of Seth Dudumal Bajaj Orthopedic Center, which stands today the forte of the history of orthopedic surgery in this country. He was author of a book with late Dr. Prabodhbhai Desai on orthopedics for undergraduates, published by Churchill Livingstone in 1990. Dear friends, he was always focusing on basics, and all his students or all his examinees who have appeared examinations would know he starts right from the artery forceps as his question. And his lecture on the gait is exemplary, and nobody would forget how he would act the different gait and show to the entire class that how different gait works. He had a tremendous association with Bombay Orthopedic Society. Dear friends, if you would consider Dr. K.T. Dholakia as the cornerstone of Bombay Orthopedic Society, Dr. L.N. Bhora was the pillar of strength. He was always by his side from the beginning, as he was the first registrar to Dr. K.T. Dholakia. Bombay Orthopedic Society was born when he became the founder secretary in 1965 and continued till 1968. Later on, he also became an executive committee member from 1981 to 84. And though he was not occupying the top post, all the senior members of Bombay Orthopedic Society requested him and invited him to be leader in 2014 as the president of Bombay Orthopedic Society. He had delivered the prestigious R.J. Katra oration as well. And as all of us know, that he was the permanent internal auditor for BOS accounts. And all those treasurers who have been there in BOS would see that in every annual general body meeting, he would see the accounts to the tune of 1 paisa even. That has kept us on our toes. And he carried his service to Bombay Orthopedic Society till the end of his life. And we always have seen that his presence on the academic front row of Bombay Orthopedic Society. Even during the last annual general body meeting in February, he was on the front row and giving his advice for the Bombay Orthopedic Society. He not only stopped at Bombay Orthopedic Society, he was the organizing secretary of IOACON in 1980. That was the Silver Jubilee Conference of Indian Orthopedic Association. And during that time, this was the organizing team. As you can see, the many known faces there. And that was Dr. Ellen Bora there at the center. He had coined a, one silver coin was brought out in memory of this Silver Jubilee Conference of Bombay of Indian Orthopedic Association. He was an international delegate for CICOT for India from 1985 to 2001, and he also occupied the post of vice president of CICOT from 1990 till 1993. He was an honorary treasurer of Indian Arthroscopy Society, honorary secretary of Indian Rheumatological Association, as well as he was Rotarian of Bombay Hill South Rotary Club. So he didn't stop his, focus on Bombay Orthopedic Society only. And as we all know, he continued to serve the Board of College of Physicians of Surgeons of Mumbai till his last. And as we know, the examination pattern, everything in the CPS was streamlined under his guidance. Dear friends, we lost an astute clinician, a gifted teacher, an ethical human being, and a father figure to many of us. In March, when he called me last, that Mohanty, keep yourself free on 12th of April. Then he disconnected the telephone. Dear sir, your wishes were orders for us. I couldn't know that what he is calling for. Then I asked Dr. Neeraj Bora, his worthy son, who is present today with us, that what was it for? Was it for some, CPS examination or something like that? No, dear friends, it was for the celebration of his 90th, birth celebration. And just couple of months back, he has landed up his 90th year of his life. And today, for many of us, he's a father figure, and sure, we miss you today. Dear friends, Professor Dr. Lakshmikant Bora, who has landed up in the 90th year of his life, and on behalf of the Bombay Orthopedic Society and its members, sir, we pay our floral tribute today in your loving memory. Now, may I request all of you, wherever you are, please stand up in silence to pay your tribute for the departed soul. Thank you, dear friends. I thank Dr. Neeraj Bora, who is present with us today. Dear Neeraj, and Purvi, your sister. The entire Bombay Orthopedic Society is with you today during these days. And we all pray that Bora Sir's soul rest in peace. I thank you.